We're back to bronze, guys, because
Bronze is the bomb.
oh, I'm very sick as well. Oh yeah, don't watch this. It's gonna be like more of me coughing and stuff coming out of my body. It's disgusting. Oh, Starcraft 2. Better do the overlay. Twitch chat overlay. Alright, let's see if anyone comments or spams.
What is happening?
Alright, I was waiting for a game.
Hmm?
Oh, I've got some magic water from my mum. I'll get that while we wait.
Interesting. Oh. Right, you ready?
Yeah. Oh. Fake masters. That should be good. Oh.
We require more minerals. We
Oh, this map. We just played on this map. How come it keeps giving us this map again?
Oh, yeah.
Spawn more overlords.
Oh, how come that didn't go 2?
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Your little guy's so fast. Yeah, leave that overlord there.
He's got a very early pull. He might be rushing us.
Right.
I know he's expanding. I don't know. I mean, not.
What's this guy doing? Where's all this crap?
Proxy?
The hell? Get your overlords out. This guy's
Oh, yeah,
doing
okay.
the
Maybe he's away from keyboard. No, he's got something.
no.
Oh, get to work.
Insufficient battery gas.
Lazy.
Our allies are in
Well, there's something happening. I saw 2 guys here. They're up to no good.
Okay, get an overlord moving over. Now this guy's all... I don't think he knows what he's doing. I know the other guy.
in combat.
Hey, I need help. He's attacking me.
Our allies are in combat.
He's got a queen out. Oh shit, more zerglings are coming. I need help. I've only got one guy. He's gonna die, and then they're gonna take my mineral line out. I need your help.
Hmm.
Like now.
Okay, move the guy. Now go.
Action. Shit. Oh, lucky. Okay, now I've blocked it off. If you want to go out... Oh no, sorry. Put an overlord if you want to, keep, keep it up. What am I saying?
Oh, the slow
Where
lanes are
is
coming.
my-
Hang on. He's getting aggro.
Shit.
The gate, the gate. We need a few more marines at least.
Spawn more overlords. Metamorphosis complete.
Oh.
Spawn.
I was going back home. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put a, there's a mine outside. You can roam now.
Overlords.
Come on, where's my thing?
Open the gate for me though, will ya?
Oh, there's a lot of things coming.
Yeah, I know.
Right, the gate's open.
Oh, I don't know what he's doing. Something weird.
Spawn more overlords. Our forces are under attack.
I mined up the gate, that's why. Our front gate's open, by the way.
Right.
This area.
Just attack him first. I'll put my mine there.
They're coming, by the way.
Our drones are under attack.
Don't worry about it. Like I said, just attack him, see what he's got. I've got a mine there.
Are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Your mine's dead.
Oh, how come he can see my shit? Oh shit, that's a lot.
Alright, where's that stuff?
We're screwed.
Oh well.
He's got a lot of shit.
Are in combat. Spawn more overlords.
I've got families anyway now.
Oh, that's you.
Are in combat.
Oh shit. My thing is
Metamorphosis complete.
fucking...
Spawn more overlords. Our allies are in combat.
Holy crap, he's got a lot. Holy shit, he's going Tempests. Oh, now we have information. These guys are pretty good.
Spawn more overlords.
You heard what he said, but I said, right? He's going Tempests.
Tempest. Okay, got
That
it.
means long range. Long range hit and run, and the other guy's all Zerglings. So one's going all ground and one's going, what do you call it? Air.
Spawn more overlords.
Okay. Oh, more are coming.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. It's adrenaline at the
The families, don't worry.
I need more mines.
Additional society. Additional society function.
Oh, you've got an outside base. Interesting style.
Metamorphosis complete.
Oh, he's chasing you. Lead him to my mine.
I need to call balance.
Oh, he ran away. How come?
We got balance as well.
Spawn more overlords.
Oh, he's coming. He's gonna group up.
Mineral field depleted.
He's grouping up. He's got a shitload coming. Pull them towards my bannerlings. Just one. Oh, nice.
You and my balance. You got balance too.
Whoa, he's already shit. Oh, he's already here.
We require more minerals.
Tempest are out.
Our forces
Alright, let's go.
Our allies are in combat. Mutation.
Mate, do you think they have any idea how shit their Tempests are against Marines?
We require more minerals. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Our allies are in combat. Metamorphosis complete.
Alright, let's go.
Spawn more overlords.
Oh, look at that Tempests.
Our forces are under attack.
We're just straight in and then lose everything.
Allies are in combat.
Ollie's facing me.
Our forces are
Alright, just attack him then if he's that dumb.
Might be game already. I'm just gonna check this base first.
mineral field depleted. Our allies are in combat.
Whoa, battling. Got a lot of battling.
Yeah, they're cleaning me out. But it's alright. I'm getting the other stuff now.
We require more minerals.
Oh. He just...
No.
Oh,
Well, another
battling.
bot was
Does he have any other
spamming me.
bases? Does he have any other bases?
Not that I can see.
We require more minerals. We require our allies are in combat.
Interesting. This guy's just gonna go all air, is he?
Our allies are in combat.
Oh shit, where is he? Hey, where's my army? Here it is.
Oops, I didn't mean to get that.
Our allies are in combat. Mutation. Mineral field depleted. Metamorphosis complete. Our forces are under attack. Mutation complete. Mineral field depleted. Our allies are in combat.
Oh shit, he's got a lot.
Didn't I see? Why not see?
Mutation complete. Our allies are in combat. Overlords. Metamorphosis complete.
Oh, he's got the outside base.
Our allies are in combat.
Not for long. I've got bases. I've got bases.
Spawn more overlords.
I'm just gonna go all Marines. He wants to play this game.
Mineral field depleted. Our allies are in
Oh look, he's coming.
mutation complete.
Oh my minds.
Metamorphosis under attack.
Alright, I think we've won this one.
The speed guys are exhausted. Our allies are in combat. Metamorphosis complete.
Look at all the hatches he's got on his base.
I know, he's doing a lot of stuff. He needs some. I think he's out of gas. Alright.
Hey, no chance, that's a wrong army. Man, they did well.
Hmm. But not as
Look how
well
much
as-
army that guy built. How did he have so much money? That's what I mean, like army, if he had the right army, he could have whooped us. This is what I don't understand about this game. He hasn't been mining for half the game, but his army value, look at his army value. He just keeps building crap somehow, even though he's broke. And his army is equivalent to our army. I don't understand it.
Hmm.
Man, that Zerg was doing a lot. 200 APM.
Ugh.
Oh my god. The Protoss was only 33 APM. But if you look at the stats, he was doing so well.
Ugh.
33 APM.
I know, look at the other guy,
But he was
200.
seriously so efficient. He didn't mind shit, but his army value was humongous.
Hmm. The other guy was like 200.
Man, that's literally the meat grinder. 556.
I think I was playing like
Zerglings.
Cyril side of non-stop Zergling strategy.
Yeah.
Except he didn't stop us from getting to higher tier, so...
The problem was, his teammate thought Tempest would be a good idea. If he just went carriers, I reckon we would have had to play like really fierce.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna move some liquids. So I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay, same. I'll come back too.
Oh. Oh. Mm. I'm ready, by the way.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh. I don't know about Stargate. We need to play the campaign first.
What was that?
I know, we can try. We can try. Oh. 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 Oh.
There's no timer. Go on Stormgate.
Yeah, no. Everyone's playing Stormgate. Oh. Oh, I'm so sick. We can't even go to birthday dinner yet. Sick.
Yeah. Not worth it if you're sick.
But I usually have good appetite when I'm sick. I like food.
Yeah, but then you're gonna pass your sickness.
Oh.
Stop.
All right. Ugh.
It's alright, man.
Huh?
Where again?
No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, here we go. Game ready.
Who we got? Everyone's getting placed. This is just so weird.
Must be a lot of new players.
Every 3 games we're playing against someone who's getting placed.
It's a team though.
Split, you mofos. And I always click the wrong thing. They don't do what I thought they would do. Like I gotta block off my entrance. Alright, let's see what they're doing.
Ah, get to work.
Additional supply depots.
Well, I beat you for once.
Hmm?
Usually I'm slower than you for the scouting.
Sometimes I'm faster.
This time, I'm ahead. Oh, gateway, gateway. Look who's gonna rush us.
Mm.
See what buildings he's got.
Our allies are in combat.
Under attack.
Oh, double refinery. What's this guy doing? What's he doing? Cybernetics now. It's got double Stargate.
Silver upgrade complete.
We require more Vespine gas. Our allies are in combat.
Under attack.
Oh, he's got a Reaper. Mother trucker. Where's he coming from? Make sure you know where he's coming from. Reapers are annoying.
We require more Vespine gas.
Oh, they're rushing.
Additional supply depots.
Oh, healthy. Healthy, healthy.
Insufficient.
Shit. Shit, your thing is there.
Our
Oh
forces
no.
are under attack.
Where is he? Shit. Where's all my guys? I'll send some guys to help you. Where is he? Oh, you're chasing him. He's gonna catch you for days. He's pretty good.
It's buying time.
This guy's pretty good. Lure him back.
Oh,
Lure him back
still
when
don't have-
my marines can like wait. Oh, his control's awesome. Yep, he's trying to lure me.
I had a very bad start. I stuffed up a few things.
Not enough energy.
Oh, he wants to drop me or something?
More minerals.
Additional supply depots.
We require more minerals.
Why do know?
We
What happened to all my?
require more minerals.
That guy really put my mining down. I better attack him.
Okay, let's attack together. I'm gonna go with you.
We must place that on
Okay, you coming with me? You split from me.
Yeah, where's my guys? Oh, they're too slow.
Metamorph. We require more minerals.
You lead the attack. My guys are following you.
Alright, is he outside? He is outside.
Our
Send one Zergling first in
I
case
did,
he's got a
I
mine.
hit. There's a tank.
Oh, nothing?
We can get it. This guy's getting super greedy. I'll get the tank. Okay, attack, attack. Forget that. Oh, okay.
Now I want to see if he didn't cancel. He didn't cancel.
Okay. Okay, we go to those.
We require
Oh,
more
shit.
minerals.
Go back, go back.
We require more minerals.
Research.
Oh, that's pretty powerful.
These guys are formidable.
Additional supply depots. Insufficient SP gas.
Our allies are in combat.
Oh shit, what's he doing?
Not enough energy.
Additional supply depots.
Not enough energy.
Shit, I stuffed up. Oh man, where's all my infrastructure?
Spawn more. Not
Now he's got Colossus, so we need to get some
enough energy.
appropriate anti-air.
We require more minerals.
Additional supply depots.
Our forces are under
This is my base.
What's he got? Oh, he's got a Colossus. I'm coming over. Kill the thing. Oh, he's just gonna spawn and thing.
Our drones are under attack.
Oh, these guys are good at harassment.
You're just gonna go back and forth, back and forth.
Base is threatened.
Shit, he's hitting me now. I need help.
Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Our allies' base. We require more minerals.
I don't have any detection for you.
Our allies are in combat. Our drones are under attack.
There you go.
We spawn mortals.
Complete.
Our forces are under attack.
Stage complete. Not enough helium.
We require more Vespine gas.
Alright.
Additional supply.
Oh! I ate.
What is
thing
it?
was not doing anything for the longest time.
Not enough minerals.
Alright, let's see what he's got. He's all ground. Protoss is all ground. Oh look, now he's got some liberators. Let's go for Terran on the outside again. Have you got much?
Not yet.
We require more Vespine gas. Spawn more overlords. Spawn more overlords.
Alright, I've got a few. 3 crop gears. I don't have much.
Spawn more overlords.
What's this guy doing? He's trying to see what I'm doing.
Nuclear depleted.
Okay, let's go down.
Research complete.
Group up with me. I'm going here first.
Nuclear
Let's get the eye first.
add-on.
We require more Vespine gas.
Oh, he can see me. He's got nothing. Oh, he's got liberators. He's gonna try and go on against us. Are you ready? Let's go for somewhere else. Let's go for the other. Let's go for this place. He's got stuff there. He scanned us.
Depletion of supply.
Okay, you ready?
Hang on.
We can't wait too long. These
Okay,
guys
go.
are disadvantaged now.
Go, let's go. I don't have much, but I'll send what I have.
Yeah, see?
Why is my hydrolist then?
Field
I've been waiting forever for it. It didn't come out.
Our forces are under in combat. Depleted.
Yeah, I need help.
Oh my gosh.
Our forces are under attack.
Oh, these guys are good.
Yeah.
I mean, we destroyed a little bit, like I said, we had to move.
Mutation.
We had to get a little bit of advantage.
We require more Vespine gas. We require more Vespine gas.
Yeah, this is a real fight. These guys are not good.
Mm.
Very defensive on the right side. Can you worm or anything?
Okay, good idea.
Shit, they're already here.
More minerals.
Shit, they're already here. I need help.
Buy time. Pull back. Buy time. I'm coming.
Shit, I need tanks and shit.
Okay. Okay, I'm here now.
I need help. Shit. Shit, they destroyed shit.
Metamorphosis complete.
Get out, DTs.
Spawn more overlord. Mutation
Holy shit, he's got a lot.
complete.
Fuck, we're screwed.
Spawn more
I don't do that. That's not good.
These guys are fucking awesome.
Our allies are in combat.
Dude, he's cornering us here. He's screwing me up.
We require more minerals.
Okay, get ready to do an
Mineral
artist
field
scan for me.
depleted. Our allies are in combat. Our forces we require
Hey, what are you doing with
more minerals.
your stalkers? They're getting screwed.
I need to put them on hold.
We require
Okay, get
more
ready to do
minerals.
an artist thing for me, will ya?
We
Yeah, okay.
require more minerals.
Okay, this time scan here so I can put them on the ledge.
They run away.
Can you scan?
We require more
Oh, yeah, I did.
mineral metamorphosis complete.
Good. Let's see if I can buy some time.
Where the fuck is he?
Mineral field depleted.
The hive
Our allies
cluster is
base
under attack.
additional support
Holy crap, these guys are good. Look at it, 9 up my army. These guys are wonderful.
insufficient rescue units. Additional supply items.
I've got no army left.
Yeah.
Unless I go lurkers.
Mineral field depleted.
Oh, okay, my face is going down.
Oh shit, they're gonna come to me now.
I think it might be GG unless you can help me.
I'm coming.
Forces are under attack.
I'm coming. Holy shit, that's a lot.
Our forces
You gotta wait till I
are
come.
under attack.
Field depleted.
Oh, this guy's good.
Center upgrade complete.
No, he's running away.
Additional supply
Yeah, he's not in my base. These guys are way ahead now.
mineral field
Not
depleted.
enough energy. Mineral field depleted. Our forces are under attack.
He's gonna rotate over. Keep building big army. That's the thing. That's gonna win us.
Oh,
Our allies are in combat.
Told you.
Our allies' base is
He's gonna
threatened.
rotate over.
Our allies are in combat.
Yeah.
Mutation. Mineral field depleted. Our allies' base is threatened.
holy crap.
Mutation complete. Vespinga. Our allies' base is threatened.
He just got too much, man.
Yeah, no.
Allies are in combat.
It might be GG.
Shit, it's too much. All my tanks are gone. It's GG. These guys are hella good. I already predicted they were gonna rotate over to the right, but these guys are massive army, man. I can't take on both of them. They're destroyed me.
I know, these guys are crazy.
Oh, look at Phoenix's resource collection. Once we couldn't punish that, we were gone.
Yeah, they expanded
guy
real quick at the
Dominating
start.
from the start, man. He dominated from the start. This guy's 3-4 MMR. Holy crap. We did well.
Yeah, they were good. We did well against them.
Ah, oh, this guy's only 2-7 MMR. Horny vampire. But man, they destroyed our armies. Nah, that was too much for me, man.
Yeah, I know. They were too good.
I had so many tanks as well, I couldn't get in position. Because I was rotating through. They were too quick. Of course he should be, 3-4 MMR. I didn't have good map vision either. Their movement was excellent.
Yeah, no, the left and right killed us. Alright, time for storm gates.
Okay, let's try it out.
Guys, we're gonna play the success of the Starcraft. Stormgate. I won't say anymore. I can't talk. Oh. Watch your next video, I guess.